Did you know that one of philosophy's greatest minds destroyed his own happiness to save the woman he loved? Søren Kierkegaard was deeply in love with Regina Olsen. She loved him back. They were engaged to be married, but Kierkegaard saw something she couldn't see. His dark mind was consumed with anxiety, despair, and the weight of human existence. He knew his melancholy would poison her joy, so he made an impossible choice. Instead of explaining his reasons, he played the villain. He made her hate him so she could move on and find happiness with someone else. It worked. Regina married another man and lived a joyful life. Meanwhile, Kierkegaard spent his years alone, writing about authentic existence and the courage to become yourself. His heartbreak became the foundation of existential philosophy. Sometimes the most loving thing you can do is walk away, not because you don't care, but because you care too much. True love isn't always about holding on. Sometimes it's about having the strength to let go. That's the hardest lesson of all.